I'm far too real for most, so I know I'm not for everybody.
Hey guys, it's Ash here, and I am coming to finally give y'all an update on this Kendra hair boutique hair that I ordered during the Black Friday sale. So I have in Brazilian straight. This is the 16, 18, and 20 inch. I installed it on January 3rd. It is now January 31st. So I've had it in for almost a month, so I feel like I can give y'all a honest and full update. Well, not full, but honest update, because it is sewn in. If you haven't seen my last video, I sewed it in, so it's not a wig that I'm taking off. I'm wearing this continuously, so I feel like I can give y'all a full or a good update. So this is the Brazilian straight. Yeah, so I've washed the hair 3 times with shampoo and conditioner, and so what I do is I use the shampoo to clarify, just to get all of that stuff from all of the oils, like from my natural hair and all of that stuff, just to get it out of there. And then I do follow through with the conditioner. So this hair right now, I think I left some conditioner on it. It has like a film to it. It didn't feel like that the last time I did it, but I mean, even with the film, it's still super duper flowy. Like, I love this hair. I haven't worn Brazilian hair for a while, but I absolutely love this texture. Like, it's thick. It's just low maintenance hair, you know. I mean, it's straight hair, so it's gonna be low maintenance, but this is like OD low maintenance. Like, I literally just get up in the morning, pull it back in a ponytail. So I pull it in a little ponytail like so and keep it moving. But if I want to dress it up, I can. If you've seen my video, it should be uploaded now of me when I did some loose curls. So I really like the hair with the loose curls. It really gives that bouncy cash doll kind of look that I was going for. So I really do enjoy the hair for that reason. So the hair does not tangle. It snags a little bit on the ends, but to be honest, I think that's because the blunt cut area. So I did not go back in and layer all of that blunt cut ness that was in there. I was supposed to, but I didn't. And I think that's the cause of the snagging, if you saw that. Other than that, like in the nape area and all of that, it doesn't snag in that nape area and all of that crap. Shedding, yo, like the hair does not shed. I've sat there and thought about, like, I don't normally, I mean, hair that I've had before, I'll see, like, you know, strands here or there, like when I'm at my friend's house or whatever, I'll see like strands. In this hair, I just don't see strands. So that was different for me. Nice. Yeah, so I'm saying too much in this video, but let me remember not to say let me think of something else that I need to tell you guys about this hair. Oh, blending. So my hair still blends with the hair. It doesn't blend as good as it did previously when I first installed it. I think that could be, I don't know, like, I mean, it still blends, but I hope I'm in focus this whole time. I mean, it still blends, but I feel like it could blend better. It just could be my blending method. I don't know. I'm not going to say it's the hair. But the first time the video y'all seen is how I like for the hair to look. Other than that, I mean, it is just, I mean, I just love this hair. Like, even with the little conditioner film, I'm pretty sure I left conditioner in the hair. And it's still like nice and flowy. I did flat iron this style right here. And I did go in and add another piece of the mink Brazilian hair. I did go in and I bonded the hair in because my hair grew so freaking fast. And that's another reason I should have done a anchor braid right here going back instead of the braids going this way, because the track is laying this way. The braids are this way. So when the braids grow, it's going to pull the track down. And so that was the reason why I had to go in and bond it, because the space between my leave out and the actual track was too far, so it was giving a line of demarcation. I could tell it just wasn't blending right. You know, if you have too much space between your leave out and where your track is, your hair's not gonna blend right. So I had to go in and bond a little piece right there, which I don't mind because I know how to get glue out of my hair. But yeah, so those are pretty much the only remarks that I have about the hair so far. I mean, the only con is it does not hold a curl. So those curls that I did in that video, those curls fell in about 3 hours. Like literally to barely a wave. So it doesn't hold curls. I don't know how it would be if you put Flexi Rods in. But if you're just regularly curling your hair, no, it doesn't hold a curl. Well, mine doesn't. So yeah, that's about the only remarks I have. Again, if you have any questions about the hair, leave it in the comment section. I am trying to run through and film a lot of videos, so you're going to see my little owl sweater a lot, but who gives a damn, okay? Y'all know this is not a beauty contest. Not on my channel anyway. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys in the next video.